This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Larry Townsend. Enjoy this cute 3-bedroom rancher. Lots of upgrades include freshly painted, new carpet and vinyl flooring, new electric stove, new countertop being installed in kitchen and brand new gas furnace being installed. Replacement windows have been installed. Easy access to I-64, close to shopping, VA hospital and beach. Men's to Hampton University. Very short commute to Newport News or Norfolk Naval Shipyard. For more information, review the details below.